The biggest block to our intuition, as you said it, is fear. It's fear. It's the biggest block for the listeners out there to your intuition, because what it does is it activates your sympathetic nervous system, right? Going into fight or flight, sending the stress chemicals out throughout your body so that you aren't present, and you're letting your nervous system run the show, inherently blocking that connection to your spirit and your intuition and living in your gut. And you said it so perfectly. So thank you.
Yeah.
What are some of the best, or how important is it actually to ground in the body when you are reading and decoding information from your intuition?
Oh, super important. Super important. I find grounding, just as we know, there's so many benefits and studies and so many things that you can go into, but it really just helps you feel more whole in yourself.
Right.
And I don't know, like when I ground, it's like, it feels like all this energy that was up here comes down into here. And then it's like, oh, things don't seem so chaotic. Things don't seem so crazy and scattered. And that's so important, because especially when we're trying to listen to our voice and we're not used to that in the beginning, we can get in that, like, is that my voice? Or is that this, right? Like we do. That's the nature of being a human. We question and the ego comes in, right? So being grounded helps you eliminate sometimes a lot of that fear and come centered within your body. And feeling your body's energy is just as important, because your body gives you a lot of intuitive messages as well. So if you're not present in your body, how can you listen to how it's responding?
Exactly. Yeah, your intuition again is inherently blocked.